Hi fellas, Ben back again. Well, that is the new race sprocket that has been installed on the bike. And if you guys can see, I had to do something. I had to add one more link to the RK 520 chain. One more link. This chain fell short of a link, so that would roughly be about 3 centimeters. No matter what I did, I couldn't get the factory chain with 110 links, that is RK chain with 110 links to work. So got myself a Pulsar 220 520 chain link, just one link attached to my stock RK 520. RK 520 is an XW ring. The Pulsar 520 is an O-ring. So yeah, I had to go in with some O-rings here. We'll see how this works. It's not going to make too much of a difference, and I'm only going to be using Ben for off-road purposes, so not long distance touring and all that business. So yeah, so a 520 link attached to the stock RK 520 chain, and that takes care of the length. This sprocket is 40 teeth, and a 40 teeth sprocket with the way Ben is now is just going to be mind-blowing performance, and know that for a fact. This is going to just be too much to handle. Yeah, so these are the XW rings, some crazy O-rings. I've never seen such nice wide, very strong to touch and feel. And really, the motorcycle, this chain has run 25,000 kilometers, and this still hasn't gotten compressed or still as good as new. Unbelievable what these Japanese fellas make. So a little bit of grease, and then shove in the XW ring. Clean the other side of the link as well. Pull it out. Add another ring here. Just a little bit, a touch of grease on that, and some grease on this. Now we get to join these two together. You watch closely, that's how it works. Perfetto, job done. And add two more O-rings, or to be precise, XW rings, and clean this up. So that's the plier business. Compress the whole thing, and lastly, the master link lock or master link clip. The thing with this is you need to be very careful about the orientation of this. This has to, the closed end has to face the direction of the rotation. The closed part, the open part, all you need to do is the closed part should aim at the direction of rotation. If the wheel rotates like this, the chain rotates like that, you need the closed part facing the sprocket when the chain is on top, not when the master link is at the bottom. You take the master link to the top, bring it to the top, right about there, and then closed link facing the direction of the sprocket. Very easy to install. Put this on like that. There you go. And take a flat plier, catch one end, catch the rivet, and just there, done. That's how you want it. Open end facing the opposite direction of rotation, closed end facing the direction of rotation. A lot of slack. Now let me just get done with the adjustments, and we'll have a fantastic new sprocket. Well, that's a job well done. The new sprocket from Race Factory in Chennai on the bike, and the front, the rear, and the chain. The chain has an additional link from a brand called Roll-On. Roll-On is an Indian manufacturer. This particular link comes from a Bajaj Pulsar 220. It's a 520 link. Now the thing is, my front sprocket, my chain, and my rear sprocket is a 520 pitch. They're thinner than the ones that come on the 411. The 411 comes with a 525. I've swapped to a 520. Now it makes for a lighter chain and sprocket combination, lower unsprung weight, mass, and so again faster, quicker revolutions. Roughly translates to better acceleration. That being said, now the funny thing is, this little thing, this tiny little difference of 2 teeth on the rear, and I can cruise at 4th gear at an indicated speed of 20-25 kilometers an hour. Surprising, ain't it? Unbelievable bottom down torque. Like you can forget it that you're on a motorcycle, and just keep rolling on, and the bike just chugs along superbly. And if you guys see, this is not off. This is off the center stand, and it's on its wheels. The bike is on its wheels, and that's the kind of free play that I've aimed for, about an inch when it is off the center stand. It's because this bike I use a lot nowadays for jumps, and I want my swing arm to go up and down without really stretching the chain. So just a difference of almost 1 centimeter in chain free play, and that does it. What else? Anything else that I want to let you guys know? One more thing. So this is the RK520 sprocket, the rear sprocket, 38 teeth, and this is a 40 teeth bigger sprocket, stainless steel. I believe this is also stainless steel, is because this bloody thing has just barely worn. Absolutely no wear marks on this. As good as new, as good as the day I saw it. And this weighs about 150 grams more than the new sprocket, which is bigger in diameter. I think it's because of the lesser material used. Very nice design. I've intentionally wanted this design because it has very little metal, unlike this, which is a lot of metal. I've intentionally kept it lightweight so that I can do some serious off-road quick acceleration bits with this. What else? That's a job well done for today. The RPMs versus the speed, all that acceleration runs, all that for another day. But for now, that is how the bike looks